Let's have another metaphor. In Taoism, we say 炼精化气, 炼气化神. So, 精, qi, shen. Jin represents something very substantial, while shen like a spirit. You know, spirit, something spiritual, not so much like a substance, like a matter. But with this qi, the energy flow, so we connect actually the lower dantian, middle dantian, upper dantian. So this is the central task of the Taoist practice. Since Shen, like a spirit, we say something spiritual. So here actually we see this is a typical image of a Taoist practitioner, while here it's like a Buddhist. So this is something like a combination of mainly Taoist and also involved with some Buddhist idea. At least the painter of this picture, he believed the combination of Buddhism and Taoism. Of course, in his opinion, Taoism actually top priority than Buddhism. So the Taoist is here. And this represents sort of divine domain. So the names, Ni, Wan, Gong, everything sounds very celestial, holy.